What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here, and what I've got for your face balls today is my wife and I going to open up some boxes. Molly?
Hi. Hi.
So, we've got some new MeUndies right here.
And something for me.
Something for you in there as well? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, little unboxing knife here today is the Guardian Tactical GTX 025. So good. So let's get up in here real quick.
I wonder what color you got this time.
I don't know. We got
so exciting to see.
We got that. So this is stretch cotton. Choose your smiley face. Apparently, choose your undie peach adventure. The micromodal fabric. They are good. They are good. So we got those.
That's mine.
And we got those. And that's it.
You got pizza.
I got pizza. So there you go. Apparently that's yours. So what'd you get? What'd you get?
Well, I tried some of their socks when I reinstated your subscription.
Yes.
And they're 10 out of 10.
They are good, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah, I've got a few of their socks.
Well, now they make no-shows and stuff like that. And I like shorty socks.
So we got some melting pizza, little boxer briefs here.
Big
and now
cheesy.
the MeUndies have got the old fly hole. My OG MeUndies didn't have that.
Are you happy about that?
It's fine.
You don't care?
Not really. I mean, yeah, I got used to not having it, so it's fine to have it. It doesn't really bother me one way or the other. So
comment below if you like a dinghy hole.
You're right. Yeah, comment below. Yep. So there you go. All right. So yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We got some red, white, and blue socks and some pizza MeUndies. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, I know you're excited about this one.
Oh boy, am I ever excited.
Oh yeah, she is
guys.
excited about this one.
Can I tell you about this printer he's got coming? Oh, I'm so excited.
So this box right here is the first parts to show up for the new Trace D printer.
I got a notification that this was delivered today, and I'll tell you what, I cried with joy at the office.
Yeah, you did.
I was in my office crying because I was so happy it was here, and so sad I couldn't leave work to go touch it.
To go touch it right then and there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. All right, so here we go, guys. All right, we got this one and this one.
Oh no.
We got some Airheads.
Well, that's cute.
Yeah, there you go. And we got this one.
I ordered something fun for the channel.
And this one.
Many things, in fact.
And this one. All right. Oh, we got something else.
A sticker?
We got a sticker here from printedsolid.com. So that's cute. All right. So we got some LBO motors.
How many motors a man need?
Well, for this particular printer, it takes 5 of these plus a stepper on the
there's
extruder.
motors?
Yeah, these are stepper motors. And let's see here. This is a 42. All right, so that's the, yeah, okay. So there we go. So those two are the same and these 3 are the same. These 3 here are for the Z-axis. And this is a Core XY printer, so these 2 are for the XY movement. But these are sweet, sweet little stepper motors. So little NEMA 17s that are BA. So definitely looking forward to that. And you know, for those that, if you wanted to know, this is an LDO 42STH 48-2504AC.
Niner?
Nope, no niner.
Oh.
No niner in there.
Damn.
But these are some Billy Badass stepper motors. And do we have the specs on them?
Do we care?
We care. We do care. So they don't send the specs, which is unfortunate. So I'll just have to print those off. But yeah, so there we go. So that's the for the Core XY movement, and then this is for the Z axes. And yes. And so my Z axis motors are an LDO 42STH48 168 MAC. Oh yeah.
Are you guys as excited as I am?
So these are a 0.9 degree resolution, and these are a 1.8 degree angle per step. So yes, they're going to be fantastic.
Oh,
Yeah, you're pumped, aren't you?
magical.
Excited. I can tell. Yes'm.
Mini horse.
Oh. All right. We'll set these motors off to the side. And I'm sure Molly will want to fondle them.
I'm going to sleep with them tonight.
Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. Got to get the poison for the trolls in there. So, pretty pumped about that. Got the new steppers in the house. All right. Next up, we have this little package right here. Before we open up this package, I did want to say we're doing a knife sale. Is that correct?
Hey, y'all, we're doing a knife sale.
We're doing a knife sale. And the patrons have access to that knife sale right now. As we speak, they have already received said knife sale. So if you guys want to, get access to our knife sales early, you could become a patron. So you can go and check that out.
And if you just generally enjoy dumb memes, I'd
dumb
like
memes?
to share those on the Patreon.
Okay, right on. There you go. So this was sent over by Lefty EDC, and this is what I got going on here. Now, I kind of screwed up and missed out on this, but my buddy Kevin was able to hook me up, which is awesome. So I got the reflective Vero sticker right there, and I cut into that bag a little bit. Got a couple other Vero stickers. You guys know that I just posted a video here a handful of days ago about Vero knives.
So you bought this with your money dollars?
I did. I did purchase this with my money dollars. And we got some of these little candies here. We got
little Italian candies.
Yeah, I don't know what. I'm gonna guess that's cherry or strawberry or something, and a grape, and then maybe a lemon or a butterscotch.
They're cute because they're tiny, but honestly, is this even worth your time?
I don't know. Is it?
Probably.
Okay. Are you trying it?
This is fruit and berry medley.
Oh, fruit and berry medley. This one is. Oh,
this
same
is also
thing.
Fruit and berry medley.
Yeah, same. That's what that says as well.
I like fruits and berries.
Okay, so here we go. This is the Vero right here. If you guys know which model that is, then you already know.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. All right, here we go. This is first run Vero Axon. Designer is Joseph Vero. Steel's M390. And this one is DLC coated black CF. And this one is a lefty. So, really pumped on this. We've got the end cut carbon fiber with the DLC blade. It says Vero right there. Oh, and then I screw up the first flick. Bang. Oh, yeah. She's pretty. So, the Vero Axon, really cool knife. And this one, yeah, it's just so goofy to do it right-handed. Yeah. I wish right-handed people could, hold on to this and experience this and see what it's like for lefties.
See the struggle? Know
Yeah.
the struggle?
Yeah, here.
You just want
Come
them
here.
to... I gotta put a dog down.
Yeah, what are you doing holding that dog? That seems real dumb.
I don't know. It's just wanting us.
And then we
mama.
got the Vero cleaning cloth here with the little logo in it. Nice. Go ahead. What do you got? Oh, you got it two-handed, huh?
Yeah, I mean, ooh, that's weird.
It's just all sorts of backwards, huh?
Oh,
look at that. Look at you go.
Look at me. Yeah, this is weird.
With the liner lock on the opposite side.
Yeah, that's the weirdest part for me.
Yeah. It's almost weird for me as well, just because I'm so used to doing it right. Even in my left hand, manipulating a right-handed knife.
Yeah.
But, so this one here is number 470. I kind of think that this was out of 500. I don't really remember. Yeah, first run. And we've got the end cut carbon fiber, which looks gorgeous. DLC blade. She murdered out. Other than the Vero logo there on the clip. It's got the good Vero clip. If you guys watched my video on the Vero knives, which is fantastic. It's definitely more comfortable. And yeah, the Axon, definitely a cool knife. It pockets well. And this is definitely going to stick around for a while and be part of the collection, being a lefty variant. It's super cool. And of course, it's also a front flipper. So, good times.
Get down.
Yeah. So, there you go. That was the boxes that we had. Fancy Motors.
That's it this week?
That's it. Unless there was something else. I don't know.
No.
On these motors.
I should save all my Amazon boxes sometime.
And do those for...
Yeah.
Here. Oh, hold on. We're going to...
Are we really?
Show you a little something here.
Oh boy, can't wait.
So,
Dying.
just for some increased resolution, so grab the motor and rotate the shaft there. Grab the shaft. Feel that? Mm-hmm. And do it the same thing to that one.
Okay.
Is it different?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's stiffer.
Yeah. Well, it's because the angle per step. So this one is twice the resolution as this one. Yeah. And you can feel it. It's nice, isn't it?
Oh, I'll tell you what, bud.
Yeah. Oh, they feel nice.
Quit diddling your nipples.
I'm diddling my motors. Yep, they are nice. I'm
You
excited.
weirdo.
I can diddle my motors if I want to. They're my motors, and I'll diddle them whenever I want.
All right, well, I know who's sleeping with these things today.
So, anyway, yeah, these aren't the most exciting part about the printer, but they're just the first part to show up. So, guy's excited. Guy can be excited, can he?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, there you go. Right on. All right, guys, that's what we got for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Check out the knife sale. It'll be posted up tomorrow. I don't know exactly what time, but
by the evening.
Maybe like late afternoon, early evening, something like that. So stay tuned for that. And click the smash button or whatever, and that way you'll know when the sale comes up. So go do that.
Yeah, that bell thing.
Pound it, bro.
Pound me.
Fist me, bro.
Fist me, that's what it was.
All right, guys. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Peace.